Alright guys, before you watch the video, I just want to tell you, you might be thinking, what the heck is on the back of his head? Yeah, so my mom completely messed up my haircut. She had to cut it because we can't go anywhere, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, so I got a flat tire, so we're going to show you how to change a flat tire. So if you don't have a bike stand, you can just flip it over like this. Alright, so after you flip it over, you want to, if you have a quick release lever, I do, you want to the derailleur back, and you slide the tire out. Alright, first we're going to take the cap off so the tube can come out. So after you take the cap off, you slide a tire lever under there, put it on the spokes, and then put another one and slide it all the way around.
There you go. Watch that stem. See how it's caught on there with the stem? Right there. Pull that out.
Alright. Now that we got the tire off, we got to check the rim and the tire if there's anything that will pop the tire. Doesn't look like anything. So you gotta check if there's any like thorns or anything. Put your hand like that. Feel anything? Pull it out. So if you guys want to patch the tube, we're not doing that today, but if you want to, you can pump up the tube with a little bit more air and dip it in a water. So we found the hole. See, you can see it bubbling right there. Oh, it's just a tiny little hole. Right. So that's where you would put the patch, right there on that tiny little hole. All right, so you gotta get yourself a new tube if you're not patching it up. Unscrew the cap. For your pump, we're just using like this little tiny pump. Alright, so you're going to put the tube back in the tire. It's really easy. Put it in like that. And then put the letters on the side with the cassette. And then put this little stem we pump the air into through this little hole. Alright. Put that in. Put that. No. Alright, so you want to put the cap back on. And then you put one side in. Be careful not to pinch your tube. You could easily pop it again. Alright, so we got the tire back on. We had to do it 2 people. It's best if you can do it without using a tire lever. So, and then pump it up. Make sure the stem is straight. Pump it up more. on, and then we're gonna check the PSI. And then if it doesn't have enough in it, we're gonna pump it up more. Dad's gonna help me with this. It's kind of hard. Get the rotor and brake caliper.
Okay.
And then twist it back up. Alright. So we're gonna check the pressure, and we gotta see if we're gonna add some air. So we're about like 20 psi. So let's put it to like 35. Alright, so we gotta pump it up more. It's only about 24. Alright, so we're gonna see how much PSI there. Hold it straight up. Exactly at 40. That's where we want it. Alright, so let's just put the cap back on. Flip it back over. Alright, so I hope that was helpful, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Look at that hair!